No, don't do that. Where's your feet? Where's your feet? Where's your hair? Your hair. Where's your hair? Hair. Where's your nose? Where's your teeth? Your teeth. Oh, where's your tongue? Your tongue. That's beautiful tongue. Your tongue. Where's your suso? Not mommy. You. Where's your feet? Your feet. Feet. Very good. Where's your ears? Your ears. Ears. Where's your cheek? Cheek. Where's your hair? Your hair. Very. Where's your hand? Hand. Where's your beautiful eyes? Where's your beautiful eyes? Where's your beautiful eyes now? Huh?